Alright guys, this is a Doosan 750 compressor. I'm just gonna show you guys just a little review. It's nothing fancy. So this is I'll turn it on in a bit. So this is the engine compartment. This is where your air filters will go, there and there. This is your emergency shutoff, your fuel, and your batteries. The way it's in sequence, it's a 24 volt system. This is for your fuel. You know, like I said, I'm just showing you guys a bit of this compressor. And then you come here. This would be your compressor fluid filter, and this is where all your compressor fluid goes, and your filter there's a filter inside here. So this is a compressor. So if you're using your air and you got oil coming out, you pretty much got to replace your filter here. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick little view of this compressor. Maybe we could turn it on. Let's check it out. Comes out. So that is your 750 Doosan compressor.